The 2025 Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Dr. Wes Sundquist.
So I'm Wes Sundquist, and I got my undergraduate degree in chemistry at Carleton College, which is a small liberal arts school in Minnesota, and then my PhD in chemistry at MIT. And then I was a postdoc in Cambridge, England, before coming to the University of Utah in 1992. I was very fortunate that Chris Hill, who's a structural biologist, started at the exact same time.
We very quickly recognized, I think, that we're scientific soulmates, and we spent a lot of time together, like the nerds that we are, talking science. But then it quickly became a formal collaboration, and we've been collaborating scientifically ever since then, and that's been truly wonderful.
We set up our lab trying to understand how HIV assembles into a particle, both at the molecular level and even at the atomic level.
Dr. Wes Sundquist and his team do amazing research. For the past about 30 years, they've been investigating how HIV works.
This work led to an understanding that the capsid, a capsule that contains the viral genome, is involved in many stages in the virus life cycle. Wes collaborated with colleagues at Gilead and developed this remarkable therapeutic.
Now it's called Lenacapavir. This drug was tested in clinical trials in Africa and was spectacularly successful.
We were able to build on those observations and discoveries and utilize the knowledge, the basic knowledge of the research to start on a program that lasted almost 2 decades and that produced a new drug, Lenacapavir, which is a first-in-class, long-acting, highly potent inhibitor of HIV capsid.
It's remarkable because it's a small molecule, but it acts like a vaccine.
People take a single injection and then they're protected against becoming HIV positive for 6 months.
It can be used both for the treatment as well as for prevention of the HIV infections, and is quite efficacious.
Yeah, I can tell you that the fact that it's now approved for use and is being adopted worldwide is potentially game-changing.
We've been fortunate to receive quite a bit of recognition. So in 2024, Lenacapavir and the capsid were named Breakthrough of the Year by Science magazine, one from Columbia called the Horowitz Award, one from Harvard called the Alpert Award. And then in a few weeks, I'm going to China to receive something called the World Laureate Award, together with Scott Emmer, who's the father of the escort pathway. So we were just told today that Lenacapavir was named one of Time magazine's best inventions for 2025. So it's been kind of a whirlwind year.
Being good is not okay. The goal is not to be good, the goal is to be great. I think that he epitomizes the very best of academic science. The understanding that he's led development of led to the potential for ending the HIV pandemic. It's opened up a whole new class of therapeutic approaches.
This work is just in the beginning, and it's up to our imagination as to where it will lead to next.